Hi there, GetCryptoCoin here. Cheers for checking out the video. Today's tutorial is how to install the Avalanche network via our MetaMask wallet. We're assuming you've already downloaded this extension onto your Brave browser or Google Chrome browser. If you haven't already, please check out our previous video on how to install it safely and securely. So we're going to assume that you've already done that before we run off into this tutorial. Avalanche is a relatively new token. I don't know whether you heard it or not. Interested to hear your thoughts. But it's a token that I've kind of had my eye on for around about 8 months and bought in about 3-4 months ago. Wish I kind of done it sooner. But AVAX is quite an exciting token. It'd be good to see what they come up in the future. I decided that I wanted to invest into this token, not financial advice at all, just letting you know what I've done and how I installed the Avalanche or AVAX token into my MetaMask wallet. So there we go. We're going to assume that you've already logged in, and this is a fresh, brand new crypto wallet as well that I've installed. So we're going to assume that you've just logged in to a MetaMask wallet, and that you're either connected to your Ethereum main network or previous one that you might have had installed. But like I say, we're assuming that this is first time you've installed any other networks. So we'll click on Add Network here. We're asked a series of 5 inputs. I've handily written these down. What I'll do is I'll copy and paste these into the description below so you can easily connect your MetaMask wallet to the Avalanche network. So you can see here, network name, new RPC URL, ChainID, currency symbol, and then a block explorer URL. So we've got all these listed here. We'll just add that this is the C chain that we'll be adding in this tutorial. So just make sure if you're withdrawing any crypto, say from Binance, KuCoin example, that you select C chain when you're making any withdrawals. Alright, for now we'll just copy and paste the network name over to there, into the network name box, copy RPC URL, get the chain ID, currency symbol or coin ticker, and then a blockchain explorer, so any transactions can be viewed on Snowtrace. So we've got a notification box up here saying a malicious network provider can lie about the state of the blockchain and record your network activity. Only add custom networks that you trust. Now I've whipped the instructions straight from the Avalanche website, the support website. And so these are all genuine, but obviously just be very careful if you say connecting wallets using maybe any sort of forums or anything like that. You never know who's posting up on those, so always go to the official website to get the official network connection details. So we're assuming you've got everything all entered there and you're happy. You can now click save, and we're now switched over straight away to the Avalanche network. Note that your Ethereum or Avalanche, whichever network it connected to, your wallet address will always remain the same. So any withdrawals, you simply copy the clipboard here, and this is your long day, your wallet address. So copy this, and then you then go on to say Binance, for example, paste in your withdrawal wallet address, which will be this one, select C chain, then the amount that you'd like to withdraw from Binance, and then process the withdrawal. You should notice that your AVAX tokens will kind of come into your MetaMask wallet really quickly. It's one thing I do like about Avalanche, it's super quick. Yep, an up and coming token to keep a lookout for in the future, well worth adding to your MetaMask wallet and maybe holding a few. So yeah, I hope you got some sort of value from this video. Please like, subscribe. I will be putting a few more videos out on how to install a different range of networks, as well as how to get free crypto, mining and related questions, you name it, I've got my fingers in every pie. It'd be great to hear through comments from you and what you'd like to see next. So really appreciate you taking the time to look at the video. Hopefully I'll see you again soon. Nice one. Cheers again. Good luck.